Hello, welcome to Starkweather Association Services 1 Minute YM series. If you are new to our channel, this is an educational series to help you bridge the gap between your team and YM technology. In this week's tip, we're diving into a feature that adds a little bit extra layer of security and professionalism to your transactions. This feature is enabling the terms of use for your checkout pages. To ensure that your members understand and agree to your terms before completing a purchase, your membership has a simple way to add terms of use so that every time someone completes a purchase on your site, they have an acceptance box of language they must agree to during that checkout process. This feature helps protect your organization by making sure every user acknowledges your conditions and your terms before finalizing that payment, and just gives you the extra ability to have security and accountability, like if there's issues, to show that, hey, you agreed to this during the checkout process. Common examples that associations use this for include refund and cancellation information. So say you have a 30-day refund policy, how much you allow if there's a fee associated, and like how they have to cancel. Or another good way to use this is for your privacy and data usage, so that members know that you're storing it privately and securely, and then just any information you have around that within your association's policy. All right, let's get started. Here's how you can set it up. You're going to start by going to your admin dashboard if you're not already there, and click on Content and Settings. And then in the left menu, you're going to go to Commerce Settings and then Commerce Configuration. And when you scroll down, you're going to see this option to enable checkout terms of use. And you're going to hit yes. And then this is where you input the text you need to communicate to your members or customers. As you see on our test site, we're using all refunds must be requested 30 days after purchase. A 10% processing fee will be deducted from the total refund amount. And so anytime someone goes to the site and completes a purchase, they're going to see that message and have to acknowledge that message before they can proceed with the payment. All right, so that is how you enable your terms of use within your membership. By using this feature, like I said, you're adding a vital step that helps ensure that every transaction is compliant and understood by your members, and it's a great way to communicate with them so that they can accept that and agree to it. It's just another way that YM can help you run a little bit smoother and more secure operation on the front end of your site. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to optimize the YM software. And we will see you next time. All right, bye guys.